All right, another thing we need to work on is inverse functions and how to write their equations. And this is the one that everybody really struggles on. It looks like this. I give you a function that says y equals 2x plus 1 over x minus 4. I have an x in the numerator and the denominator. To do a problem like this, I think all of us know that the first thing we need to do is change the x's to y's and the y's to x's. All the inputs become outputs and all the outputs become inputs. You're going to do that first, and then it's just algebra right now. It's all algebra stuff at this point. We're just going to clear the fraction by multiplying by y minus 4, both sides. All right, distribute on the left, you're going to get xy minus 4x. On the right side, these are going to end up dividing each other out, and we're going to be left with a 2y plus 1. So that's where most of us can get. This is the part most of you guys screw up on. What you're going to do next is your goal is to get these y's on the same side. It does not matter how you do this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract xy from both sides, and it's going to leave me with negative 4x equals 2y minus xy plus 1. After that, I'm going to remove the 1 from both sides, and I'm going to get negative 4x minus 1 equals 2y minus xy. Alright, and now we still are stuck with two y's, so we have to take care of that. And all you're going to do is see there's a y in both of them, and you're going to factor out that y. And basically it just means you're going to remove a y from here with division. 2y divided by y gives us 2. xy divided by y gives us x. So that's how you factor. And now I have just one y, so I have y times that quantity. So if I want to remove that quantity, I'm going to divide it out like so. And I'm going to end up with this answer of negative 4x minus 1 over 2 minus x equals y. Now that's one way you can do it. Sometimes if it's like a multiple choice test, you can see the possibility of, hey, maybe I don't want 2 minus x. I can take out a negative 1 from there, and that would give me negative 2 plus x. And then I could take a negative 1 out of here if I really want to do that, and it's going to give me 4x plus 1. So it ends up being, and these cancel, negative 1's cancel each other. And I get 4x plus 1 over, this could be positive x minus 2. These are the same answers as each other. I would accept either one of these on a test. But if you're taking a multiple choice test or assessment, you might see this or this. You have to understand that you can always basically negate the top and the bottom and change all the signs, and you'll still get the same answer. Alrighty, so that should be the toughest one. Some of the easier ones are basically, another one that you might have trouble with might be like a cubic or something like that. If I give you y equals the third root of 2x minus 1, and you have to find the inverse. Well, this is a little bit easier because it's more straightforward. Same process, change the x's and the y's. Now you're just trying to get that y out of there, so you need to remove the 2, the 1, and a cube root. Order of operations means the first thing you will do is cube both sides. And you'll get that. And you just got to be very careful. You're going to add 1 to both sides. Alright. And then you are going to subtract 1. You are going to divide by 2. So you can write y equals x to the third plus 1 over 2. And that is your inverse. Alrighty. Good luck. See you later.